Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up important settings. This prevents surprises. Once done, enable any built-in editor. System UI Tuner on some phones or the Quick Settings tile editor in Settings right arrow notifications. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions for editing tiles or for third-party apps if the native tool is absent. Now open the notification shade and tap the pencil or edit button to reveal removable tiles so you drag the brightness tile into the active Quick Settings area. This instantly adds a slider or toggle depending on your ROM. If your phone lacks a native tile, install a trusted Quick Settings app or tile pack. Follow prompts to add its custom tile. Make sure to grant overlay and tile permissions so the third-party tile can appear in the shade. Once the tile is placed, test it, pull down the shade, and use the slider to verify immediate brightness control and responsiveness. You finish by testing the slider across different apps and with auto brightness on and off. Sometimes auto mode overrides manual adjustments, so toggle it off to confirm. If the tile does not appear, revoke then regrant permissions or reinstall the tile app. This often forces registration. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out conflicts from other apps. Finally, make sure system updates or manufacturer skins aren't blocking custom tiles, and reinstall only from reputable sources if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.